Hi, it's Chris from Delta Fire Systems. Today, I want to give you a few pointers on drum drips. First, I want to start off by saying most customers do not contract with Western States Fire Protection for ongoing drum drip maintenance, as this is the responsibility of the property owner or property manager. After our team services your dry pipe sprinkler system, we return it to normal operating condition. It's important to note that some water may remain in low spots within the system. After any operation of your sprinkler system, including service visits from Western States Fire Protection, it's a good idea to drain the drum drips every day until there's no more water or condensation coming from them. Once that happens, you can check them weekly or monthly as needed. Also, it's a good idea to note to check them ahead of freezing temperatures. Drum drips should be drained daily until they are dry and then checked weekly during the cold months to help prevent pipe bursts and other weather-related issues. Now, in terms of the drum drip itself, it is a condensate chamber that collects water inside a dry pipe sprinkling system. Even though we call them dry systems, they're mainly filled with pressurized air. As that air moves from the warm riser room into the colder areas, it can condense and turn back into moisture. The drum drip is designed to catch the moisture in the area of the low point drains. It is recommended that you drain your drum drips weekly, but with winter approaching, you may need to do it more frequently. Here's how to do it properly. On a drum drip, there's two valves, one on the top and one on the bottom of the condensate chamber. What you want to do, shut the top valve first. Remove the plug. Make sure that you have a bucket because things could get a little bit messy. Open the lower valve, but be careful because it's still got pressurized air in it. Shut the lower valve. Open the top valve, which is going to repressurize the drum drip. Shut the top valve again. Make sure that you keep at least one valve closed at all times so you don't trip the dry system. Open the lower valve again to catch any moisture or condensation. You will want to continue to do this until you get all of the condensation and moisture out of the drum drip. Open the top valve back up, and you're back in service. Hey, that's everything. It's not a difficult process, but it's absolutely essential for the safety of your system, especially as it gets colder outside. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.